Gelatin. How do you like our new home?
I would say it's pretty rad. The grass here is softer than before. And if you squish it with your feet in the right way, it makes a cool squeaky sound. Watch.
Okay, I think I've seen enough. Bye! What about you, Lollipop? Feeling comfortable?
I was until you showed up.
That's mean! Voters, you better take note of this!
Says the person who got eliminated for inflating our teammate to death.
Thank you for standing up for me!
It's just my duty to protect any sphere on a cylinder.
Then you guys just high five. No high fives! Only high fours!
Oh, I only count one.
One is still not four!
This is so dumb. 4, can you just tell us what's going on with the competition? So many of us are very confused. Agreed. Ruby, put your tag stories away. 4, clarification, please. Hello? 4. They seem unresponsive.
Step aside, Taco. I know what 4 needs right now. Do. 4, what's wrong? You look depressed.
Oh, I don't know. I just don't know what I am. Where my co-host is.
Then let's go to the... Wait, what?
4, did you just ask where your co-host is?
Yeah, where's X?
4, you told X to leave you, and we know exactly where he is.
Yeah, right now he's playing patty cake with 2, because they're best buds now.
You mean you can bring him back?
Well, maybe. I'm not sure.
Because if you did, that would bring back the spirit of BFB! Contestants, I have assembled you here today to retrieve X.
Yeah, I'd never agree to that.
Well, you're gonna do it and like it!
No, it's too hard.
Well, Baloney, I saved your life all those years back. Don't you wanna help me get X?
No.
What about you, Blocky?
No.
Bubble?
No.
Fiery?
No.
Gelatin?
No.
Leafy?
No thanks.
Closer?
No.
Ruby?
No siree.
Spongy?
No.
Taco?
Nope.
Teardrop? Woody? Lollipop?
Take a wild guess.
No thanks. Flower? The answer was, is, and will always be no! Cool story. But what if I add back the original BFB as a prize? I feel like it! How do I start? Well, there's 14 of you. Why don't I split you into 2?
2.
2 teams of 7, based on whether you're colored closer to 4 color or X color.
Oh darn, looks like I've been judged by the color of my food coloring once again. Perhaps I should use this paint bucket to change my color. Then I could avoid being on the same team as Balloony's ruthless murderer.
So I'm X colored, huh? I never thought of it that way, but I guess I am. Who else is with me? Oh yes, it's Season 1's winner. I can steal winning strategies from him, and Blocky's here too? Awesome, he can carry out my assassination missions, and no way! Loser's on my team too? His super fame can help me get sales for my new fashion line.
Can you be quiet?
I like my new team so much better than Ian's. Hey, 4! Can I name my lovely team now? That'll be a future contest.
Oh, Ruby, I don't know if I like our new 4-colored team.
Why not? You've got me, and Teardrop will never say a bad thing about you.
That's true, but she's here too.
Oh, her? You two never got over your awkward frenemy phase, huh?
No.
But why don't we resolve it now?
Ruby, now's not of the time.
Sorry.
Oh, I'm just so worried.
Hey, look at the bright side of things. At least you're not on the same team as Blocky, who's murdered you 2,763 times.
That is nice, but hold on. Aren't you and him both red?
Wait, you're right. Hey, 4? Why am I on a different team from Blocky when we're both red?
Why? Do you want to be on the same team?
Quit squabbling! So whichever team gets X back to me wins, and the other team is up for elimination. Go!
Oh no! Woody's scared that we'll never be able to get X.
New comrades, we need not fear. Our team is X-colored, so we're sure to win.
How do you know, cuboid?
See that spot of saliva on the ground?
Saliva! My poison! Oh no!
Loser! That's disgusting!
Say it with me. X marks the spot.
X marks the spot.
By the laws of nature, X must come here on his own to mark this very spot.
Sounds like pseudoscience to me.
Leafster, how are we gonna get X?
By using our imagination.
Okay, Bob. Bubble, you got any ideas?
No. Bubs, I got an idea.
Right before her unforgivable elimination, our Mystic Alliance leader Pencil gifted me her most prized possession, urging me not to open it until the stars align. I have safely guarded this treasure for many moons until...
Well, let's use it.
Free Smart Superman! Yay! Let's get in.
Why don't we just drive around the hills?
Lollipop, you're hurting my brain. I don't know what around means. Also, why do you bring that paint bucket with us?
None of your business.
Loser?
What's up?
I think you're a great leader, but this X marks the spot thing isn't working.
A fan is doubting me? No. If you believe it'll work, then it'll work.
Oh, okay. I'll believe harder then.
Yo, Taco! We both have rotting flesh in our heads. Why don't we form an alliance?
An alliance? Flower, that strategy might have worked on me 9 years ago, but today, you can't win me over that easily.
Aw, come on! I was just...
Hold on, what's this with you and rotten flesh?
I mean...
Oh, Flower.
I can explain.
You have 6 petals now.
Oh gosh, that's embarrassing. My bad.
Now you have 4.
OMG, I'm really messing up, aren't I?
Yeah, you are. Come back to me when you can keep your story a little more consistent.
I screwed up again.
We're here to take X back!
Okay, who's getting out to grab X?
I thought you volunteered to
No, I said I was gonna stab.
point me to do it.
No, you're too fragile!
Oh, for blub's sakes.
Where's Teardrop going?
Oh, no, you didn't! I personally like X as our host.
Yeah, X is the kindest host of the 3 we've seen by far. I hardly remember meeting the pulsating cyborg box, but I'm confident X is nicer than even him.
Eggs was fair for me when Paloonie tight. You'd better not take our precious eggs from us.
Hey guys, don't fear. Why don't we just glue X to the ground?
That doesn't sound fun.
Queenie, don't you know that contact with glue can damage your skin? Well, it damages your skin indeed.
Hey, whatever doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Besides, I bought some glue that's certified to be gentle on numeric membranes. But where is it?
Switcheroo, we can too.
Got it! Now X will get to keep hosting our show!
Yeah! So long, you 4 fanatics! And next time, stick to your own lame host, who I hate!
Quick, throw out the lasso!
I hate lassos!
Bye-bye, silly boy. I have valued our time together.
Guys, we forgot Teardrop!
Oh shoot, you're right! I'm telling you, loser, your X marks the spot strategy is utter nonsense.
Yay! X has marked your saliva spot with orange paint.
It was my strategy that worked.
When your team wins, the other team with the 4 colored contestants loses. X, I'm so happy you're back. Are you?
It depends. How good are you at patty cake?
I'm super pro.
Yay! Then I'm happy as well.
Get in, Teardrop, we're going shopping.
Oh, I guess now we gotta head all the way back.
Just look at the silver lining. More bonding time for new friends.
Do I have to remind you that you killed me one time?
Did you know we have already lost the challenge? I may be sweet, but my news is not.